All right, moving on to Kolkata, where we'll be looking at Rajarhat. While property markets of most metro cities are posting numbers of slow sales, Rajarhat is defying this current market sentiment. Anjilee Istwal speaks to the local market players to find out why Rajarhat is finding favour with home buyers. Is Rajarhat worth your money? Let's find out.
Tall buildings and planned development. That's the USP of New Town and Rajarhat in Kolkata. This area, with its well-developed social infrastructure and employment opportunities, has become a self-contained mini-town. The proximity to New Town, whose master plan is controlled by Housing Infrastructure Development Corporation or HIDCO, has had a spillover effect on the Rajarhat area.
Whatever is required for you to have a lifestyle is all available inside New Town. So hence if you're staying in Rajarhat, so you get to utilize everything that New Town has created. So, and the ticket sizes are much lower. The smallest ticket size maybe in New Town for a decently sized 2-bedroom apartment would be to the tune of around 70 to 80 lakhs. But in Rajarhat, which is just connected, you will get a decently sized 2-bedroom at say around 40 lakhs of rupees.
In 2010, the weighted average price in Rajarhat was 2,750 rupees per square foot. And even today, one can get a flat there at 3,700 rupees per square foot. This has made it a popular home buying destination amongst people working in the surrounding CBDs of New Town and Salt Lake. And to satiate this ever-increasing demand, there has been a constant supply too in terms of new launches. Relative share of new launches in Rajarhat has jumped from 25% in the first half of 2013 to 39% in 2014.
Rajarhat has seen launches because definitely there is an availability of land. And as you know that where the availability of land is there will be more projects coming up in those areas. Yes, definitely to compare to other parts of Calcutta where the supply of land is very scarce. So definitely because of that, there have been decent launches in Rajarhat area.
While the overall sales in Kolkata has seen a decline, the share of Rajarhat in whatever is selling is increasing every year. The relative share of Rajarhat in total absorption of units in Kolkata has increased from 30% in the first half of 2013 to 34% in the first half of 2014. But this is just the beginning. Rajarhat has potential for much more.
Just outside of New Town, where we are talking of this micro market, connectivities have happened, projects are coming up. There are large projects to the tune of say 1.2 million square feet each. That kind of projects coming up. So hence social infrastructure is getting created even there. So you have schools coming up there, colleges coming up there. I have not heard of a hospital project there, but then you are also having social infrastructure there. So in terms of potential, if you are not in New Town, the next best place that you should be is Rajarhat. So that is the potential of the place.
Rajarhat still has miles to go before it can become an ideal township. With almost around 7,000 hectares of area to develop, it will be a challenging task. It will be a few years before the population size becomes noteworthy in Rajarhat and the streets lose their deserted look. From Kolkata with camera person Nirmal Sarkar, Anjilee Istwal for NDTV.